What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the absolutely must-have accessories if you own a GoPro Karma Drone. Now, I recently picked up the GoPro Karma Drone for about 300 bucks on the GoPro website, and in 2019 I think it's a great buy. I'm absolutely loving the experience I'm having with my GoPro Karma Drone. So I picked up a couple of accessories to enhance that experience and make it more enjoyable. This is from Sunny Life. It is the monitor sun hood for the Karma remote, this right here. We also got some this is TELESIN. Now these are some ND filters for the GoPro camera here. It's just gonna make your footage look a lot better on bright sunny days. And we have a drone landing pad. It's just for safety reasons, and I don't know, I just thought it'd be cool to have a landing pad where you're out there, you know, see if the drone actually goes back to where it took off from. So without further ado, let's start diving into these accessories and see what they're all about. Right off the bat, now this landing pad is going to be huge, but this is $10.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. Links to all these products will be in the description below if you want to pick one up for yourself. But these are not bad. It's not over, I think it's up less than like $50, if not less than $60. But this is the launching pad here. It folds up. It comes in a nice little Ziploc bag here. Let's go ahead and open it. Bam. Now you do have some reflector stickers there if you want to do some night droning. And we do have some stakes here to pin the launching pad to the ground. And we have the launching pad itself. And whoa, as you can see, it's just folded out very fast. You do have two sides. You have a blue side and a orange side. Now you can put some reflector stickers on just one side if you want to just do one for night. So you have a day one and a night one, but it is very sturdy. You do have your ribbons here so you can stick this to the ground, and it feels very high premium quality for $10. I don't know, this is pretty good. So let's go ahead and fold this back. So basically you just twist it. Let's see if I can get this without hitting the camera. Yep, like that, just kind of like in a circular motion, kind of fold it and it folds up. So let's go ahead and put this back because this thing just popped out, almost hit me in the face. So there you have it. It comes with a little ribbon here. You can hang this off your GoPro carrying case, which is great. So you always have it whenever you fly your GoPro. But this is the landing pad. Good material. $10.99 with Prime shipping on Amazon. Not bad. Pretty good. So the next thing we have are these ND filters here. Now these were the most expensive accessory here. There's a lot different ones. There are a lot more expensive ones, but these here you get three. You get an ND4, ND8, and ND16 for $23.98. Link will be in the description as well. I didn't want to spend too much money on these, but you do need them. They'll come in handy, so that's why I went with these $23, $24 ones here. Like I say, I'm not going to use them all the time. If you're somebody who heavily does some GoPro filming and stuff like that, then these will come handy to you. You might want to invest in some more quality, more high-end ones. So they are labeled here. You have a ND4, ND8, and ND16, and they're very simple like this. They do have a protective screen over them, so you want to peel that off before doing anything. But these are very simple. You just kind of squeeze them on to your GoPro camera lens like that, and you're good to go. Nothing to it, you know what I'm saying? It'll make your footage look a lot better on a bright sunny day. So then you can just take them off and put them back in their little storing carrying case. So these are $23. ND16 being the most darkest, I believe. You can just Bam. See, I might even be putting them backwards, but just want to put them on there like that. Nothing to it. This is the little GoPro camera here. Nothing to it. Looks very, very good. These ND filters just clip on to the existing lens here, and you're good to go. Again, these are some ND filters. You have a ND4, ND8, and ND16 for $23.98 on Amazon. Available with Prime shipping. These come in handy on a bright sunny day. If you don't want to spend tremendous amount of money, because there's some that go for about 50-60 bucks, if north of 100 as well. This is a great cheap alternative if you don't want to spend that much money. So let's go ahead and put that aside. Now the last accessory we have here for the GoPro Karma Drone, I think is the most needed one here. As you can see, I have the remote here. This is a monitor sun hood. Now the screen on this control gets pretty bright, but at times on a sunny day it could be pretty hard to see. So we have the sun hood here. This is $12.59. Also, link will be in the description. On Amazon, $12.59 with Prime shipping. It's not too much, but it is gonna give you that shade needed when you're out there on a sunny day trying to go like this to your screen, or so you can see better. This is gonna actually help with that a lot better. So this folds very easily like this. You can actually pop it in your GoPro camera bag there. It folds very easily. Boom, boom, and just goes in like that. You strap it onto the panel here and you're good. Let's go ahead and demonstrate that real quick. So I think you can fold this back into it like that. You fold these back into the like that, and you squeeze this. Bam, look at that. Woo, look at that. So this is gonna give you, as you can see, the screen is right there. It's gonna give you the shade needed, so you're not out there squinting your eyes. You know, $12. It's a great investment. It just clips onto your thing. I don't know if you can actually leave it. But another thing is, if you do that follow me drone feature, you got to have the controller open. So what you can do also with this is you can kind of pull this aside, kind of midway close it like that, and it's going to prevent the controller from closing. You can just toss it in your bag, and you know, the drone won't automatically cancel out of that follow me drone feature. Bam, look at that. Folds very easy. Okay, so now these are the 3 must-have accessories if you own a GoPro Karma Drone. I think they're a very cool products here. The GoPro drone has a bad reputation, I know, but I've been loving mine. I've been having a phenomenal time. I'm just super fun. It's fun, you know what I'm saying? I'm not looking into spending $1,000 for a drone so I can crash it or whatever, but you have your sun visor for your controller, you have your launch pad for the drone, and you have your ND filters for your camera. And now these are the must-have accessories. Thanks for watching, guys. The links to these will all be in the description, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to go ahead and pick up this accessory kit. Leave a comment if you have other accessories that are great that pair up with the GoPro Karma Drone. There are a must-have, so we all know about that. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.